Hi there. In today's lesson, we're going to explore some of the most useful methods in the java.util.Arrays class. These handy tools will make your life with arrays much easier, whether you want to print them out, sort them, search for values, copy them, or compare two arrays. Before using any of the methods in arrays, you need to import the utility class from the Java standard library. Just add this line at the top of your Java file. Import java.util.Arrays. Let's begin with a simple array. Imagine we have an array that holds three numbers, 3, 5, and 7. In Java, printing an array directly using system.out.println won't show the values. It'll show something like a memory address. So what do? We use arrays.toString. This method takes the array and returns a nice, human-readable string representation. This is the method you'll use almost every time you want to see what's inside an array. Next, let's talk about sorting. Imagine you have a list of test scores, 80, 95, 60, and 70, but you want to rank them from lowest to highest. Manually sorting them, that's a pain. Java gives us a built-in solution, arrays.sort. The array is sorted in ascending order. Now that we can sort an array, let's try to search for a specific value inside it. For example, we want to find the position of 25 in a list of numbers. Java gives us the method, arrays.binarySearch. But here's the catch. The array must be sorted first. After sorting, the array becomes 5, 10, 25, 30. So 25 is at index 2, and that's what binarySearch returns. If the value doesn't exist in the array, it will return a negative number. Sometimes, you just want to initialize or reset an array so that every element has the same value. Instead of using a loop to assign each value, Java gives us a shortcut, arrays.fill. Let's say we want to fill an array of 5 elements, all with the value 100. This is especially useful when setting default values, preparing an array for reuse, or creating predictable test data. Next, let's learn how to copy an array or change its size easily. Java provides the method arrays.copyOf, which lets you create a new array based on an existing one. Let's look at two cases. Trimming the array, copy fewer elements. Extending the array, add more slots. When you copy fewer elements, the array gets trimmed. When you copy more, the extra spots get default values, 0 for numbers, null for objects. Finally, let's talk about how to check if two arrays are equal in content. You might think using equals is enough, but in Java, equals only compares references, memory addresses, not values. To compare the actual elements, use arrays.equals. Here, A and B have the same values, so arrays.equals returns true. But A equals B returns false because they're two different objects in memory. These methods aren't just convenient. They're reliable, fast, and help you write cleaner, more readable code. Practice using them in small exercises, and you'll find arrays much easier to manage in your Java journey. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below for links, documentation, and source code.